Welcome to Vanindin Academy. Are you considering switching to solar energy but unsure which system suits your needs? Today, we'll explore the three main types of solar power systems: grid-tied, hybrid, and off-grid. We'll break down their costs, benefits, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Grid-tied systems are connected directly to your local utility grid. They are the most common and cost-effective option for homeowners. Key features. Cost typically ranges from $10,000 to $30,000, depending on system size and location. Operation. Solar panels generate electricity during the day. Excess energy is fed back into the grid, often earning you credits through net metering. Backup power. Does not provide power during grid outages. Pros. Lower upfront costs compared to other systems. Simpler installation and maintenance. Potential to reduce electricity bills significantly. Cons. No backup power during outages. Dependence on the utility grid. Grid-tied systems are ideal if you have reliable grid access and want to lower your energy bills without the need for backup power. Hybrid systems combine solar panels with battery storage and remain connected to the grid. They offer the flexibility of using stored energy during outages or peak demand times. Key features. Cost, typically between $20,000 and $40,000 due to the addition of batteries. Operation, solar panels charge the batteries and supply power to your home. Excess energy can be sent to the grid. During outages, the system switches to battery power. Backup power, yes, provides backup during outages. Pros, provides backup power during outages. Reduces reliance on the grid. Potential for greater energy savings by using stored energy during peak rate periods. Cons, higher upfront costs. More complex installation and maintenance. Hybrid systems are suitable if you want the benefits of solar energy with the added security of backup power. Off-grid systems are entirely independent of the utility grid. They require a substantial battery bank to store energy for use when solar production is low. Key features. Cost ranges from $15,000 to $50,000 or more, depending on system size and energy needs. Operation. Solar panels charge the batteries, which supply power to your home. A backup generator is often included for extended periods of low sunlight. Backup power. Yes, through battery storage and generators. Pros. Complete energy independence. No electricity bills. Ideal for remote locations without grid access. Cons. Highest upfront costs. Requires careful energy management. Regular maintenance of batteries and generators. Off-grid systems are perfect for remote areas or those seeking total energy independence. Let's compare the three systems side by side. Your choice depends on your location, budget, and energy needs. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive comparison of solar power systems. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe to Vanindin Academy, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your support enables us to create more educational content like this. Until next time, stay empowered and make informed energy choices. Thank you for watching.